Galena, Illinois is one of the Midwest's most charming small towns and a must-visit destination along the Great River Road. It was once the home to President Ulysses S. Grant, and this historic town offers a walkable main street filled with shops, restaurants, and a rich history. It's all set in a stunning river valley. It really is the perfect blend of scenic beauty, small town charm, and unforgettable experiences. And it's where we're taking you on today's Lovenesters adventure. Welcome to Galena, Illinois, the second most visited city in the state.
But it can be expensive at times, so in this video, we're going to show you some great activities that are free.
It should be a fun video. Thanks for coming along.
Thanks for being here.
No visit to Galena is complete without a stroll down historic Main Street. With more than 125 shops housed in original 1800s buildings, this charming stretch is a shopper's dream, even if you're just window shopping. And the good news? Browsing is free.
If you want a free activity, the best time to take your wife shopping is when the stores are all closed. You can get whatever you want, dear.
When they open.
If you're coming to Galena off season, you just simply need to understand a lot of these places close at 4 or 5 p.m.
There are a few places on Main Street that offer free samples. Now, one of our favorites is the Great American Popcorn Company. All right, so we're at Great American Popcorn. They have great popcorn here, and best of all, free samples.
What?
Here goes lemon blueberry? Lemon berry. It's not just like caramel corn. It's got that really good coating on it. Yeah, this is very good. This is a great little stop to come when you're visiting Galena, and it's one of those free things you can do, but you're going to be tempted to buy some popcorn when you leave.
Look how huge this place is. So you can get any flavor.
They have fudge.
What? You serious?
They have samples of fudge.
Oh, I know where you're going.
Oh boy.
We're gonna let them pick the American Popcorn Company.
Okay, she's got it for you, sweetie.
Oh my goodness. Oh boy.
Baby.
Let me guess. S'mores.
He could be trouble.
Okay, what can you have?
I'm having birthday cake.
Birthday cake? And it's your birthday. They give you free samples on your birthday.
Craving something savory? Well, head on over to Galena Canning Company, where you can sample their sauces, salsas, and spreads, also known as home cooking in a jar.
The DeSoto house. President Grant ran his election in 1868 out of this hotel. Is that crazy?
If you're looking for something great that's free to do here in Galena, take a walking tour of the DeSoto Hotel. They have brochures for free right in the lobby, gives you all kinds of interesting information. This hotel was actually the place that Steve Douglas and Abraham Lincoln did a debate. Abraham Lincoln has stayed here as well as Ulysses S. Grant. Lots of history here, and it's a great place to get away from the heat. So this is the interior courtyard of the hotel. This has been a popular gathering space for over 150 years. So these are some of the more famous people that have stayed at this hotel. Stephen Douglas, Ulysses S. Grant, and of course Illinois' favorite son, Abraham Lincoln. take a seat in the quiet room where you can watch videos of Galena's rich history. This beautiful stairway is original to the hotel. Oh, it's pretty up here. Beautiful little seating area up here. Thunder Bay Falls is a hidden gem that many visitors to Galena never discover. It's tucked away just outside of town. This off-the-beaten-path spot is well worth the short drive for a peaceful escape and a beautiful view. You take a nice little walk along the river. If you're looking for something free to do or a way to get away from the crowds, head on out of town. Thunder Bay Falls. It's kind of a spillway, but it's very peaceful back in here, and it's free. If you're enjoying this video, we would sure appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up. And if you're looking for weekly hobby and adventure ideas, well, we invite you to subscribe to Lovenesters. So another incredible free activity to do in Galena is to tour the presidential home of Ulysses S. Grant. The tours are free and it's well worth your time. Come along.
His first military assignment was down in St. Louis. He was stationed at Jefferson Barracks. And while there, he would meet, court, and eventually marry Julia Dent. They came here to Galena 12 years later in 1860. So he could work at the family leather goods store located down on Main Street. And when they first came to town, they rented a brick home across the river up the hill on High Street for about a year. When the Civil War broke out, Ulysses decided to rejoin the army, and good thing he did. He was incredibly successful in the war, eventually becoming the commanding officer of the entire Union Army. When the war was over, the Grants came back to Galena as heroes. In August of 1865, 13 local businessmen got together and purchased this rather modest 3,300 square foot, fully furnished home for $2,500. The good old days. And gave it to the Grants as a thank you for his service in the war, where the Grants would do their entertaining. On the day after his election, back in 1868, he held a reception in this room. On that day, hundreds of people came through here to congratulate him. All of the furniture in this room is indeed original to the Grants, with the exception of the piano. You may have noticed the chairs and the sofas all much lower to the ground than we're used to. That's because folks back then were just a whole lot shorter than we are today. Ulysses liked this chair so much, he packed it up, took it with him to the White House. Now all of the furniture in the dining room is indeed original. The Grants ate around this table, sat on these chairs. Julia sat there, Ulysses in this chair at the head of the table. Silver service purchased by Julia while she lived in the White House. Table is set with Hamelin china. China designed for their daughter Nellie's wedding. Nellie got married in the White House in 1874.
This was their bedroom. This was the actual furniture that they slept in. Fun fact, Julia was the first lady to actually be called the First Lady. 90% of the furniture in this home is original to when the Grants lived here. Just a tip, we hear that Wednesdays can be a very, very busy day. These tours are free, but of course donations are appreciated. So there are bathrooms on site and some extra buildings that you can go through with more information.
President Grant's home in Galena, a great place to visit and a great place to take a tour. It was amazing. The tour guide was incredible. A lot of great information.
Highly recommend the tour. You'll learn a lot.
Thanks for being here.
Welcome to Grant Park. This beautiful park is right on the river here in Galena. There's lots of historical information. There's a park for the kids, totally free. You can get to Grant Park across this bridge if you're parked downtown, or you can cross the river and park your car. I just love all of these benches that they have along the river. You can watch the trains go by, people fishing, and just take in the beauty of historic Galena. This is a cannon from the Civil War era. It's known as the Napoleon. The Galena River Trail is for hiking and biking and walking dogs, and you could be on this for up to 8.1 miles. You could walk all the way to Chestnut Mountain or bike all the way to Chestnut Mountain, and there's some things to see along the way. Great little tunnel to go through with your bikes. If you brought your own bikes, this would be just a fantastic way to spend a morning. They do have a place in town that will rent them. You can get electric bikes and then you could zip along this little trail and explore.
Another great free activity to do in Galena is bird watching. So we are at the red-winged blackbird marsh area.
So if you brought your own kayak or canoe, this is where you can launch. They also, looks like they have places that rent them, but then you could go for a float. So there are a few bathrooms along the trail. You'll see these placards all around town. If they have a dollar sign by it, then you can expect to pay, but you'll see there are plenty of historical things like churches and other buildings that you are welcome to go and look at for free.
This is the Historical Society of Galena. Galena, if you're a fan of old houses, beautiful architecture, Galena's fantastic. Look at this. This is just beautiful.
Ulysses S. Grant attended this church with his family. Now, if you go inside, you can see the Grant pew marked with a U.S. flag. The Washburn House was the home of a U.S. congressman and an associate of Abraham Lincoln. His name was Elihu B. Washburn. There is a 25-minute guided tour available at no cost. This is only open on the weekends from May to October. And I peeked in the windows. It looks absolutely beautiful inside. You can find public restrooms over by Hello Galena. There are a lot of art galleries here in Galena, and that's really another great free activity to come in and admire some of the art. This one I'm particularly excited to see, this Riverbend Gallery. The gentleman that does this was born with Down syndrome, and he has done some amazing photography and has won awards for it, so we're excited to check his work out. So Jeffrey filmed everything that you'll see in here, and he has just an incredible eye, and it's absolutely worth your time to come in here and just check this stuff out. Great place to pick up a souvenir of Galena. That was one of the places we recommended you see. And you can get them on slates, you can get prints, or again, something free you can do, just browse the gallery. So you can hear the whole story of Jeffrey while you're here. For even more local art, stop by the Galena Center for the Arts. This seasonal gallery features both indoor and outdoor exhibits and showcases the work of talented regional artists. While some events and classes do have a fee, admission to the gallery is free. Now just be sure to check their website, which we've linked in the description, for current hours and exhibits. You'll find the West Street Sculpture Park spread across 2 acres of woods and winding paths. This outdoor gallery is filled with massive metal sculptures, all handcrafted by local artist John Martinson. It's open daily from dawn to dusk, year-round, and best of all, it's quirky and it's free. There's the giant Tinker toy. This sculpture is at least 40 feet tall. Lots of free activities to do in Galena. History, art, and so much more. If you're looking for more fun things to do in Galena, check out one of these videos.
Thanks for being here.